Hello there. First drag all 3 files into Photoshop. You will see that in the action window there is a new folder with several actions. Brushes were added to the brushes window and some collection of layer styles. To create your design, take one of the backgrounds included in the product, which are prepared with an optimal resolution for the effects. Create some text. Run the action Blueberry Pie and you will see how the text turns into blueberry pie consisting of separate layers of filling and pastry. Similarly, you can use the action for any graphic objects. You can use the action Blueberry Pie 2x for larger berries in the filling. On the cake, you can place text or graphics with pastry effect. You can apply the ripple action to text and graphics to give an organic waviness to the edges of the layer. The product contains several pre-made scenes. For example, open the file cherrypie.psd. Add your text instead of the original, apply pastry style to it. You can edit the objects and background in the scene for your design. Do not forget to apply the action ripple if the edges are too smooth. Open another scene with the effect of flower, delete the layer with the effect to create your own text or graphics. Start the action flower. After completing the action, create a mask for the group of layers with the effect of flower from the contour of the cutting board to hide particles that go beyond the edges of the cutting board. During the flower action, all layers except the group with the effect become invisible. This is a technological necessity. Manually switch on the other layers. Pay attention to high detail. You can turn off some layers in the group with an effect to reduce the density of the filling flower. Consider another effect. Open the file gingerbread.psd, delete the layers with text and glaze to create your own graphics or text. Apply the layer style gingerbread, then start the action ripple. Create a new layer for the glaze. Use the brush, glaze, white or another light color. Apply the glazed layer style to add volume. Try another brush, Candy Sprinkles 2. Choose a color, only the saturation matters, the shades will change automatically. Apply the glazed layer style. Also in the product you will find a mock-up matchbox. Double-click on the thumbnail of the replaced layer to open the temporary file and replace it with your own design. For any object or text, you can run the action smoothing to add smoothness to the outlines of the edges. Close the temporary file with saving. See how another effect works. Open the oatcookies.psd file. Delete the text layer to create your own graphics or text. Apply layer style oat cookie. Start action ripple. In the same way, you can apply the effect to any graphics. You also get 10 high-quality backgrounds and 76 PNG images for use in the design. Just place it and apply the layer style with a matching shadow. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, click on the link below the video.